This is what I mean when you can overtake motorcycles even when there is other incoming, because just too many of them, otherwise you would be stuck forever. Good morning. So today I, after a week, left Palu and heading in the direction of Makassar, but that's gonna take me maybe 2 or 3 weeks to reach there, because I'm not taking the faster coastal road but going through central Sulawesi through the mountains, and I'm gonna go to Rantepao. I think that's like a little touristy location in Sulawesi. First today I'm actually driving to another detour, and that's going 5 hours into the mountains, into the rainforest. There should be some megaliths, but after that I'm not sure if I can actually exit on the other side of the mountains, because the road shows only on one of my maps, not on the other. So on Google Maps it's telling me to go back to Palu, which would be like 10-hour detour. So I really hope that road exists. And this time I'm heading out fully prepared. I have both of the gallons full of drinking water. I have 1 extra gallon of just water for shower. I have plenty of food, and I bought some gas stove so I can cook my dinner while camping, so I don't need to worry too much about finding a restaurant in remote places like this.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia?
Okay, I got an idea, because the road is super slow and it's still far away, so I'm gonna try to ask someone for a motorbike to take me there, because I think on the bike it could go much faster, and just leave the car here or in the village.
Motor ako na to bahan namin. Hanya lalapian ni.
Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa.
I have reached the megalithic site. I think it was a good idea to get the motorbike, because with the car it would take me at least twice as long. I don't really know much about it, and I tried to search some information online, but not really much is known, I guess. But pretty cool place. Like,
They find human bone in the Kalamba.
inside.
Yes, inside. But this is they use for the grave.
Like humans buried inside.
Yeah.
In
And
all?
10 person in one.
Like only like the kings, or like the,
Yes, only for the king.
So normal people are not buried here.
No.
4,000 years, you said? 3,000 years old.
Yes.
If I understand this correctly, it's over 3,000 years old, and basically it's just like a burial place, something like the pyramids in Giza, where the leaders were buried inside these jars, or I don't know what it is. And in this area there is many of sites like this, but this is the biggest one. So yeah, even to reach here is like whole day of travel. So I think one is enough, but it's pretty cool.
Adoration place.
Adoration.
Yes. Any in behind any tablestone but it's broken. Yeah? This is the place.
So they make like sacrifices?
Yeah.
Or ritual when they
Yes.
sacrifice?
The ritual. Yeah.
Like sacrifice animals or humans or...
Human.
Broken table. It's interesting how the biome here is the savanna. There were never the rainforest, and this grassland savanna is the original biome in this location. So that's quite interesting, because we are not like very high in altitude, but it's like a valley all around us are mountains, and we are a little bit higher than the rest of the Sulawesi. This is it, by enemy. It looks like it's just grass, but No. Try not to get stuck, that would be worse. Yeah, now my shoes are completely dirty. Why? Why do I do this? Okay, so I left that side and continue on the road. It's quite rough, but the road exists. And I ask around and it should lead me to Paso, but yeah, it might take a long time because again it's always potholes and sometimes not even the pavement, but it's already getting late, so that's why I try to rush from the megalithic side so I can get as far as possible. I just stopped by the side of the road because I noticed some other megaliths, so let's just have a quick look. Yeah, this area is just so beautiful. It's super nice, perfect temperature. I have a theory that this might actually be a volcano, like very old one, because it's like a huge valley, but on all around there are like mountains, so it makes a little circle, and it's super beautiful now. And yeah, just all across this plain, plateau, valley, whatever you want to call it, just all across this place are many megaliths scattered around. I see another one down there. It's pretty cool.
Am I perfect 10? Whoa, whoa. And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head. And I start to see. Honey, am I perfect 10?
Okay, this is not the best road I've ever driven on. Where is the road? Which way do I go? I don't know. Look at this. What a place this is. Amazing view. Yeah, it's only a little bit windy. I don't know, I'm gonna try to find some place that's maybe a little bit hidden. Today is the day I can finally say wow. First time in Indonesia, because yeah, today was very interesting and a little bit challenging. Saw some interesting places and just this camping spot is amazing. That's where my car is parking. I'm gonna build a tent here with this view.